Have you ever heard the words shaman, shamanism, energy healing, energy medicine, perhaps spirituality healing, chakras, meridians? The list goes on and on. If you've ever wondered and been curious about those words or the practices, then you're in the right spot. And if you've never heard of them before, you are certainly in the right spot. Welcome to Restoring Balance. I'm Lynn Johnson. I am a shamanic energy practitioner, and I welcome you to this channel. My purpose with this channel is to simply share information. So many people are seeking ways to improve their life or to help with a certain condition or obstacle that they may be facing. And this is certainly an amazing practice, but so many people have not heard of it, or they've heard of it but don't really have an idea how it might relate to them, or they've heard some misinformation and they turn away from it. But I want to keep this simple and lighthearted and not trying to convince you, just simply trying to offer you information so that you may decide for your own self whether this is appropriate for you or someone you know or love, because it may save your life at some point in the future, or someone whom you love dearly. So I invite you to subscribe. Please leave comments and ask your questions down below. Who knows, the next video I create may be from your question. So please subscribe, stay with me, stay curious, and until next time.